Welcome back guys. In this video, we are going to discuss about clause number 5.2, which is OH&S policy. The first documented proof by top management on their commitment to health and safety is to develop a policy, which is the emblem of their commitment towards implementing safety management system. The policy basically shows the intent of the organization to implement occupational health and safety management system. In this standard, it is a mandatory requirement that the occupational health and safety policy must include commitment to framework of setting objectives, safe working conditions, reducing occupational health and safety risks, continual improvement, consultation and participation, and following legal and other requirements. So these six commitments must be present while you are writing an OH&S policy. Once the policy is developed, it must be communicated to all workers and interested parties. Always remember that this is not a one-time process. This policy must be periodically reviewed by leadership so as to ensure it is relevant to the organization's vision and objectives. Welcome back guys. In this video, we are going to discuss about clause number 5.2, which is OH&S policy. The first documented proof by top management on their commitment to health and safety is to develop a policy, which is the emblem of their commitment towards implementing safety management system. The policy basically shows the intent of the organization. Welcome back guys. In this video, we are going to discuss about the roles and responsibilities, which is the essential part of clause number 5. As we have discussed so far that the overall responsibility of safety management system lies on top management. However, we cannot spare the other employees from occupational health and safety responsibilities. This clause requires that the organization should identify clear roles and responsibilities as well as authorities. Let us first understand the difference between the terms roles and responsibilities. There are different departments. There may be different departments within an organization. Each one of them is assigned a different role. For example, one department is assigned the role of production and other might be asked to ensure quality. Furthermore, within a department, someone is assigned to deal with the top management while other might be asked to handle customer complaints. So you see, there must be clearly defined roles for every individual. Next term is responsibility. There are a number of responsibilities, or there could be number of responsibilities assigned with each role. For example, a project manager can be assigned 3 responsibilities, like he will be the owner of the project, he will also coordinate among different departments, and he will also be the go-getter of the project. So here we have defined the terms roles and responsibilities, and this clause requires us to identify clear roles and responsibilities of each employee while keeping in mind that overall responsibility of safety management system still lies with top management. Welcome back, guys. In this video, we are going to discuss about clause number 5.4, which is consultation and participation. Successful implementation of ISO 45001 within your organization is directly proportional to the workers' involvement. And one of the most effective ways to build that involvement is to consult them in every decision. Your workers must feel that they are a part of the system and their voices are not unheard. This empowerment will enable them to solve problems and work towards their goals. There are various methods from which you can increase workers' participation, but the basic motive of this is to capitalize on the inherent qualities of each worker, which may be left dormant otherwise. Following are some methods that can be adopted to increase participation of workers, like periodic meetings with senior leadership, open door policy for all workers, development of safe work instructions, identification of hazards and their mitigation, communication through notice boards, newsletters, emails, etc., safety suggestion boxes. These are few examples which you can use to increase the involvement of workers to ensure